Hey y'all, hey. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kiki Girl Talk. My name is Jessica and today we are doing wash day. And I'm doing it with the one and only Tabitha Brown's Donna recipe. Okay. Donna's recipe. I said that wrong. Donna's recipe. So I bought some of the products when she first came out with these products. Well, it was like around Thanksgiving-ish time, hot right on it. And now it's time for me to wash my hair, and that's what we getting ready to do. So yeah, this is gonna be like a demo slash mini review of these products. But before we get into it, just take 1 second out of your time to click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you already aren't subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the wash day of it all. Let's pray for my hair. She should come back to life. My curls should come back, but we gonna see. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna hush and we're gonna get straight into wash day with Donna's recipe. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the shampoo. And just regular. I already did the other half of my head, so I am starting in with the shampoo. And let me tell you, this shampoo, y'all see it. The shampoo was so good. It really did cleanse my hair, really did cleanse my scalp. It was so creamy. It was nourishing. It lathered very well. I didn't have to use a lot in order for it to lather up, and I'm highly pleased, as you see. This is my second shampoo going in. I usually, on my second time going in the shampoo, I usually then get my scalp massager to kind of just give me that scalp massage and just kind of make sure I'm getting up all the dirt and debris and all of that on my scalp. And yeah, that's just what I do on my second wash. But y'all see those curls? The shampoo is so good, like I'm not even exaggerating. And then the smell, yes, this is after I rinsed it out, and y'all see those curls, the shine on my hair, that's just after shampooing. So that's just amazing. So now we're getting into the conditioner, and this is a rinse out conditioner, so you just leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, then you can rinse it out. And y'all see that it is immediately absorbing into my strands, and oh my gosh, I love this stuff. As you all can see my reaction, I absolutely love the conditioner. This was probably my favorite product of everything that I purchased, just because I haven't had a good leave-in in a very long time. So this is probably like the best leave-in I've ever tried. It's so good. It applied very well. The slip was good. As you see, I'm detangling with ease here. And look at those curls. Amazing. Again, this conditioner smells just as good as the shampoo. It's the sweet potato pie collection. So it does smell like a sweet potato pie. I don't know how they did it, but they did, and it smells so good. I'm going to continue to detangle here and make sure that my hair is detangled and the conditioner is fully saturated throughout my hair. And and then we gonna go about our business. But absolutely my favorite part of this collection is the conditioner. Now here it is, all washed out, freshly washed and conditioned, and my hair looks amazing. Now I say stay tuned for part 2, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the styling. And I have the leave-in and the cream, and that's all I'm using on my hair to style my hair. And I'm just doing a twist out, nothing crazy. So I don't even have a lot of that footage here. If y'all want a full detailed video on a twist out, please let me know and I will make sure I can do that for you. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm just doing a twist out here, and I did a chunky twist out, so I did about 10 to 12 twists. Usually that is my indicator if the stylers are really good. The leave-in and the curl cream, very good as well. As you see, moisturizing, nourishing, shiny. They added that shine to my hair, and you will see my results soon. So I'm just gonna hush it up and let y'all watch the rest of this. Are back, and here are the results of my twist out. Just did a chunky twist out like I usually do. I had about 10 to 12 twists in my head, and the results are amazing. Look at those curls. I mean, the definition is just like amazing. And I am in love with Charmaine. She looks a little shorter because I did trim her up. I took about an inch, maybe inch and a half probably off. I probably took about an inch and a half off. Y'all can see, you know, she doing her thing. But so she does look a little shorter because I did trim her. But oh my god, this twist out looks amazing. I am so pleased, so impressed by these products. Overall, 5 out of 5. Go get you some. I will absolutely be adding these products to my collection, to my stash of products that I just kind of use on a regular basis, because this is amazing. You know, this is amazing. My hair feels good, it looks good. I'm highly pleased. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like this video. Please comment below what was your favorite product, or what product, if you are going to try out these products, or if you have them, are you excited to use them, and things like that. If you if there's any other products you would like me to review, I'll try my best to get around to it. Put those down in the comments below as well. And you know, let's just have a conversation. You know, let's just talk. You know, I'm always down for a little convo. Okay, so don't forget to comment, again, like and share this video with your social media, on your social media platforms, with your friends and your family. Let them know what we got going on over here at the Kinky Girl Talk. You know, ooh, we're doing some big things. I don't know. So make sure you share this video out, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms right up here. I will give you a follow back if I can, and thank you. You know, Charmaine looks good and she's happy. You hear me? Charmaine is happy. All right, y'all have a great one, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.